Hello everyone. So in the last class I have told you about some note, right? So in the first quadrant both x and y are positive. So therefore the right angle we have taken as positive. Okay. So in the second quadrant, so x is negative, y is positive. How I have taken, I have told in the last class. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 points ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ note ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ನೋಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 4 pairs. ನಮಗೆ 4 pairs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದಿ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ theorem. Okay, so here let us see the first problem now. If sin x is equal to 3 by 5, see here, given one trigonometric function, that is sin x value is given 3 by 5 and x lies in which quadrant? See here, x means that angle lies in second quadrant. Okay, find the value of other 5 trigonometric function. We have to find other 5 trigonometric function. Given only one trigonometric function and they are telling to find other 5. So other 5 means which are there? Cos, tan, cot, cosecant and secant. Okay, so by using the given data, let us find the other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay, see here, given sin x is equal to 3 by 5. What is the definition of sine? Sine definition is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, and also they are telling that angle x lies in second quadrant. So they are telling second quadrant means we have to consider the right angle triangle in the second quadrant. Or ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ angle ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಆ quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು right angle triangle ಅನ್ನು consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, see here, so since second quadrant I am taking the right angle triangle in second quadrant. Okay, it is understood, right? So here the angle is x, so therefore the angle is x. Okay, in second quadrant y is positive and x is negative. So last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ note ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಆ note ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, sign notations are very important. Okay, so now see it, angle ಗೆ opposite side ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is 90 degree means 90 degree ಗೆ opposite ಬಂದು hypotenuse side, remaining side is adjacent. Okay, so see the definition, sin x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the value of opposite value is 3. so opposite ಅನ್ನೋ place ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನ replace ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, hypotenuse value is 5. here this side is hypotenuse, therefore it is 5. see here, we can use the Pythagoras triplet. ನೋಡಿ Pythagoras triplet ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 3 4 5. see here, two numbers are given, 3 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 5 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what about the other side is 4, therefore adjacent is -4. so ನಾನು ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, just value ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು. so before I am writing the value I have taken the sign based on the quadrant. okay, quadrant based ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಏನು sign ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಅದರ with respect to number ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಓ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಓ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ hypotenuse side is AO, right? AO square is equal to AB square plus BO square. AB square plus BO square. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ, ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, we have to find the adjacent side, that is BO. Okay, we have to find the value of BO. What is AO? AO is value is 5 square which is equal to AB. AB is 3 square plus BO. We don't know the value. Write that BO square as it is. Okay. 5 square 25 is equal to 3 square is 9 plus BO square. So take this 9 to the left hand side. We get 25 minus 9 is equal to BO square. So 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 is equal to BO square. Here BO square is equal to 16. Therefore BO is equal to, take this square to the right hand side, we get root 16. Root 16 is 4. See, BO is 4. So therefore we have to write 4. Or you can use the directly ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಾನು ನೋಟನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ನಾವೇನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ how we are getting the other side ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, so by using this one we have to write other 5 trigonometric functions. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x ಇದೆ. What is the reciprocal of sin? We have cosecant, right? So therefore cosecant x is, take the reciprocal of 3 by 5, we get 5 by 3. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ cos x. What is the definition of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. See the value of adjacent. Adjacent value is minus 4. Hypotenuse value is 5. Therefore cos x is minus 4 by 5. We are writing cos means take the reciprocal of cos. Which is the cos reciprocal? Secant x, right? We get minus 5 by 4. Reverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 4 by 5 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು reciprocal ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 5 by 4. So next function is tan x. Sorry. So here tan x equals, what is the definition of tan? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite value is 3. Adjacent value is minus 4. So here 3 by minus 4. Okay, therefore tan x is minus 3 by 4. So what is the reciprocal of tan? Cot x, right? Cot x is, take the reciprocal right side also, minus 4 by 3. See, they have given only one trigonometric function. We have found out other 5 trigonometric ratios. Or you can verify directly. See, so second quadrant means which are the trigonometric ratios positive? Only sin and cosecant are positive. See the values of sin and cosecant, only that two are positive. Nodi positive values idi eradunu. And other 4 trigonometric ratios are negative. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸೈನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 4 ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೌ. ಓಕೆ, if cos x equals minus 3 by 5, see here given the trigonometric function is cos. X lies in third quadrant. Find the value of other 5 trigonometric ratios. Same as similar problem, we have to find the other 5 trigonometric function. But here given the function is cos x. What is the value of cos x given? Minus 3 by 5. Okay, and they are telling that angle x lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. That means we have to consider the right angle triangle in third quadrant. Okay, see here, this is the origin. I am considering the right angle triangle in third quadrant. So this is the third quadrant. Okay, so what is the sign? We have to use that note. Okay, so in the last class what I have given that note, I am using that one. So here both are minus in the third quadrant. Okay, so this is the angle x. Angle the opposite side is opposite side. So this is the 90 degree. 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse. Okay, the remaining side is the adjacent side. Okay, so now let us use the given. What is given? Cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Here, what is the definition of cos x? Cos theta. Definition ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the value of adjacent? Adjacent value is 3. Don't take this minus. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 3. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 3. ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್? ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 5. So we have to find the remaining side, that is the opposite side. Here also we can use the Pythagoras triplet. Here 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. So next, let us write the other 5 trigonometric functions. Cos x is there. What is the reciprocal of cos? Secant x. Secant x is minus 5 by 3. If we take the reciprocal of minus 3 by 5, we get minus 5 by 3. Adana reverse ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ reciprocal ಗೆ. So next, cos sin secant ಆಯ್ತು. Let us move on to the sin x. What is the definition of sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is minus 4 by hypotenuse value is 5. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of sin? Cosecant x. Cosecant x is, take the reciprocal of right side, minus 5 by 4. We get minus 5 by 4. Next is tan x. What is the definition of tan? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is minus 4. Adjacent value is minus 3. So minus 4 by minus 3. Here minus gets cancelled. 4 by 3. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of tan x? That is cot x. Right. So the reciprocal of tan is cot. Take the reciprocal of 4 by 3. We get 3 by 4. So we are getting other 5 trigonometric ratios. See here. Here verify there only. So in which quadrant x lies? In the third quadrant. In third quadrant means only tan and cot are positive, right? By using ASTC rule. ASTC rule alli third quadrant andre tan ಮತ್ತೆ cot ಎರಡು positive ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Other 4 trigonometric ratios negative ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So tan ಮತ್ತೆ cot ಮಾತ್ರ positive value ಬಂದಿದೆ. Other 4 trigonometric ratios value negative ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. Move on to the third one. If secant x equals 13 by 5, here given secant x equals 13 by 5, where angle x lies in fourth quadrant. Here given angle lies in fourth quadrant, let us consider the right angle triangle in fourth quadrant. Okay. So here this is x axis, y axis, x negative axis, y negative axis. This is the origin. So this is the fourth quadrant. We have to consider the right angle triangle here in the fourth quadrant. Okay. So here angle always lies at the origin. ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Angle always lies at the origin. Okay. In fourth quadrant. So this is negative and this is positive by using that note. Okay. See here. Given secant x, what is the definition of secant x? What is the definition of cos x? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore, secant x is hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay. So, this is the angle. Angle is opposite side. And this is 90 degree. 90 degree opposite is hypotenuse side. Therefore, the remaining side is adjacent side. Okay. See here. What is the value of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse value is 13. Therefore, here we get 13. Adjacent value is 5. So, in place of adjacent, we have to replace 5. Then, what is the value of opposite? So, here you can use the Pythagoras theorem or you can use the Pythagoras triplets. Okay. So, we can take 5, 12, 13. So, this is one of the Pythagoras triplet. Okay. I have taken. See here. Secant x given. The reciprocal of secant is cos x. Therefore, we get 5 by 13. Okay. So, next is sin x. What is the definition of sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is minus 12 by hypotenuse value is 13. Okay. So, what is the reciprocal of sin x? That is cosecant x. Reciprocal of cosecant minus 12 by 13 is there. Minus 13 by 12 is the value of cosecant x. Okay. So next is tan x. So what is the definition of tan? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is minus 12. So here minus 12 by adjacent is plus 5. Okay. So we have tan x means the reciprocal of tan is cot. Therefore cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12. So these are the 5 other trigonometric ratios. See the fourth problem. If cos x equals 1 by 2. So here given the trigonometric function is cos, where x lies in fourth quadrant. Here also x lies in the fourth quadrant. Find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay. So let us consider the given cos x equals 1 by 2. So what is the definition of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Given x lies in fourth quadrant. So now we have to consider the right angle triangle in fourth quadrant. So let us consider now. This is x, y axis. So negative x axis and negative y axis. This is the origin. So this is the fourth quadrant. So therefore I am taking the right angle triangle in fourth quadrant triangle x. Okay. In fourth quadrant, y is negative and x is positive. Okay. See here. Let us take this sides as AB. Okay, so this is the angle. Angle के opposite is opposite side. So this is 90 degree. 90 degree का opposite is hypotenuse side and remaining side is the adjacent side. Okay, so let us see what is the given cos x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So cos x definition ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the value of adjacent? Adjacent value is 1. Let us replace adjacent by 1. Adjacent place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 replace ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Hypotenuse value 2. So here is the hypotenuse, therefore its value is 2. Okay. What about the opposite value? See here we cannot use the Pythagoras triplet, right? So therefore let us find the other side, that is opposite side, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So from right angle triangle AOB, right? What is the hypotenuse side? AO. So AO square is equal to AB square plus BO square. Okay, what is AO? AO length is 2, therefore 2 square equals AB. AB find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So we have to find out this side. Write that AB as it is, AB square plus BO. So here BO is 1, 1 square is 1 itself. 2 square 4. Okay, so take this plus 1 to the left hand side, we get minus 1, which is equal to AB square. So therefore what is AB square we get? AB square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. If we take this square to the right hand side, we get AB is equal to root 13. Therefore, root 3. Therefore AB length is root 3. Therefore the opposite value is root 3. Okay. So we have taken with respect to side. So now let us find the other 5 trigonometric ratios. 3 sides values ಇದೆ. So ಈಗ other 5 trigonometric functions ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Cos x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is the reciprocal of cos secant x? Right? Secant x is equal to 1 by 2 ಇದೆ. Reciprocal ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 by 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 by 1 is always equal to 2 itself. Okay. So next, sin x. What is the definition of sine? So sin x definition in opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value minus root 3 ಇದೆ by hypotenuse value is 2. Okay, this is the value of sin x. What is the reciprocal of sin x? Cosecant x, right? So cosecant x is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Take the reciprocal right side also. Okay, so next trigonometric function is tan x. So definition of tan is opposite by adjacent. Okay, opposite value is minus root 3 by adjacent value 1. Minus root 3 by 1 and we get minus root 3. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of tan x? Cot x. Okay, cot x is equal to, see here, minus root 3, that is minus root 3 by 1 ಇದೆ. If we take the reciprocal, we get minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so these are the 5 other trigonometric functions. Move on to the fifth one. So given, see here, fifth one, same as previous problems. Okay, if cot x equals minus 5 by 12, given cot x equals minus 5 by 12, where x lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant means we have to consider the right angle triangle in second quadrant. Okay, so let us consider the right angle triangle in second quadrant. So x axis, y axis, x is negative axis, y is negative axis. This is the origin, this is the second quadrant. Okay, so we have to consider the right angle triangle in second quadrant. So angle x lies at the origin. Okay, so here in second quadrant, so x is negative and y is positive. So angle is opposite side. So this is a 90 degree. 90 degree opposite to hypotenuse side, and remaining is the adjacent side. Okay, so what is the given? Given is cot x. Okay, what is the definition of cot? Adjacent by opposite. Okay, adjacent by opposite. See here, adjacent value is 5. Don't take minus. Okay, so ಈ minus with respect to quadrant ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. So ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ automatically ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here adjacent value is 5. So in place of adjacent we have to write 5. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus ಬಂತ. Yes, so it is clear. Next, how opposite value? Opposite value is 12. Instead of opposite we have to write 12. Here we can use Pythagoras. See here, 5, 12. So therefore the hypotenuse is 13. So therefore we have all the three sides of the right angle triangle. So now we can write the other 5 trigonometric ratios. So what is the reciprocal of cot x? Reciprocal of cot x is tan x, that is minus 12 by 5. So minus 5 by 12 ಇದೆ, reciprocal ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 12 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so next function is sin x. What is the definition of sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value 12 by hypotenuse value 13. Okay, reciprocal of sin x. So therefore reciprocal of sin x is cosecant x. So 12 by 13 ಇದೆ, 13 by 12. Okay, so next function is cos x. What is the definition of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is minus 5 by hypotenuse value 13. So next, the reciprocal of cos x is secant x, that is equal to minus 13 by 5. So these are the 5 trigonometric functions. So we have find out it. So here you will mistake in a angle. ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿರೋದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3-4 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನೇ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸ್, ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್, secant. Okay, don't write that like. So you should write with angle sin x, cosecant x. ಕೆಲವರು ಬರೆಯೋ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ angles ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ x ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ. So x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, so this completes the angle, that is finding the 5 other trigonometric functions. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about the derivation, that is cos of x plus y derivation. Okay, thank you.